Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitin Sama and today in this video we are going to discuss about operating system module, that is OS. Actually guys, we have already discussed about the FS module, that is also a core module of Node.js, and in today's video I will discuss about OS module. So now let's start. Actually guys, this is the module that is provided by the Node.js. So this is the actually official website of Node.js. Here we can see it is showing us all the details of this particular package. OS, you can see it is just showing us that how we can use os.eol and then os.architecture. Suppose like we want to know about the operating system, that which architecture we are using of same. So we can just use os.architecture, and we want to check all whatever the free memory exists in our system, we can check. Actually guys, it provides us, OS module provides us all the methods just to get all the information of our operating system. Actually guys, when we were talking about the JavaScript, normal JavaScript, then we were just playing with the document or window. So you can say we can only get the value of any particular document or a window by using JavaScript. But when we talk about the Node.js, it provides us a very good package, that is OS. With the help of OS, we can get all the details of our operating system. So how much interesting it is. Okay guys, so now let's start. Actually guys, I've just created a blank folder here, OS. So this is the inbuilt module, or we can say the core module of Node.js. So we don't need to install anything just to use OS module. Just like we don't have to install the npm or we don't have to install this particular module with help of npm. So now guys, I will create a fresh file, that is index.js. Yes guys, I have created a index.js file. So here in the documentation, you can see it is showing us the details that how we can use it. It is showing us that firstly we have to require it OS, same like we have done for the FS module. So I will just require the OS module guys. OS is equal to require, then OS. Yes, I have just required. So actually guys, now I can access all the methods of OS module in my Node app. So I will check. Actually in the documentation part, actually guys, I can just leave the os.eol. It's not useful much more for us. But now I will check the os.arch, we can say architecture. So I will just use it and I will just console the things, console.log, then os.architecture. Yes, I've just written a very simple code. Firstly I've just required the OS module, and then I've just used the method, that is architecture. I will go to the command prompt and now I will run my program. Yes guys, you can say I'm just using the 64-bit. Okay guys, so you can see how much interesting this package is, how much easily I can get the details of my operating system. Because guys, sometimes when we install any particular software or download, then we get always confused that we are using the 32-bit or 64-bit, whatever it is. But it's very confusing, I think, at the time of downloading any particular software. So now we have seen that how much easier it is just to use with the help of Node.js package. Now I will check another one package, just like this is another package that it will tell us how much free memory is in our system. So I will just use os.console.log. Actually I will just display the result in my console, then I will use free mem. Yes, Visual Studio is also showing us hints as well. So it will just display all the available memory. Yes guys, you can see it is just providing us all the free memory which exists in our system. I can just convert into the MB. Yes, I will save it and I will rerun my program. Yes, you can see it is showing us in GB. Actually it's showing us in GB. I will just remove this one and I will rerun. Yes, you can see it is showing me 721 MB. So it is showing me in MB. So how much is free space in my system. When we talk about the RAM, actually it's just showing about the RAM. Okay, so guys, now I will use another method, that is total memory. Yes, we have a total memory as well, so I will just use total memory this time. Console.log os.total memory. Yes, I will rerun my program once again. Firstly, I will clear out. I will clear a screen. Yes, then I will rerun. Yes, you can see, guys, it's showing me total size of my particular memory of our system. It will show me in the MB. Yes, guys, you can see. Actually, guys, I'm using the 4 GB system, 4 GB RAM system. That's why it is showing me. Suppose I want to convert it into the GB, so I will divide one more time. Yes, you can see it is showing me 3.93. So I'm using the 4 GB RAM in my system. So that's why. So guys, you can see how much easily we can get all the information of our operating system. So we are using. Okay, guys, we will use another method. There are a lot of methods, guys, so you can use all the details. You can check which platform we are using, what's hostname, what's home directory. So this time I will use the platform. That which platform I am using. Console.log, and I will just concat platform is equal to os.platform. Yes, I will just rerun once again. Yes, guys, you can see it is showing me Windows 32. So it's a basically platform. You don't need to confuse about the Windows 32 platform and the 64 bits. This is the basically architecture, and this is the basically platform which we are using. Okay, guys, so I will use some more methods as well. os.type, and it will show me the OS type. It will show me the user information, what actually I want, and it will show me the OS versions. So all the methods are basically much important when we have to play with our operating system in Node.js. I will use just console.log os. So I am using the release. I can use. I will save and I will rerun once again. Yes, you can see it is showing me the release of my OS. So guys, I hope you understand that how we can use the operating system. This is very much important module that is provided by the Node.js. With the help of this module, we can get all the information of our system, and we can play all the information of our operating system. So I hope, guys, you have understand the thing, but still you have any query, so you can directly just put it in the comment box, and I will get back to you soon as possible. So friends, we will meet in the next video and we will learn something new. So till that time, take care.